Well, compared to what you guys saw in the previous video, I got that marking out for the top here, which I knew I could. I cleaned up the bumper a little bit. I think I still need a headlight for it. The cord's got a little cut in it, so I might replace it. I don't quite know, to be honest. Let's go right here. Take a look. This is a convertible. That's another one there with the full hood. Like I said, Stars 1976 picked this up as a trade for the power sender I used to have over there. So, this is a high performance model. This was also his at one point. The brush one here is in immaculate condition. This is a model U4 727 900, and that's a model U4 423. This has got a metal beater bar and metal bottom plate. This has got a metal beater bar and a plastic bottom plate. And this is also, they're both, if I remember right, this has a Type A tube, yeah. And they're both a Type A conversion on them, as you can tell. It's pretty clean. This has a height adjustment window on it. Meanwhile, the other one just has the adjustment pedal back here with it marked on it. So I might eventually get a pedal that has that height adjustment mechanism on it. And the mechanism to come back, because I got the mounting hardware and I got one of the covers. So I pop this off, pop it in. That actually comes right off, so apparently I didn't clean it good enough to to notice it would have came right off. So pick up a light bulb whenever the weather decides to hold out well enough for me to be able to go out and get one, but we'll see when that happens here. And you got the handle that's got a little bit of gunk on it, so I'll clean the cord up eventually. And the bag is in pretty good shape. Just one little wear mark here right where it keeps hitting that bolt when it puffs out, which all these are worn in about that same spot. So anyways, just wanted to show you that.